Now I would show May that speed is right, speed is good, speed works.
There he is. James May is about to be splashed by the mighty wheel-spinning TGV-12. Clarkson.
God! How did he do that?
The sports train is invincible. Ever since the dawn of the train, it's been mired in this sea of turgid practicality. Nobody's ever thought, let's make an exciting train. And here I am, in just such a thing. On Hammond and May's train, it's just one long, dreary trail of boredom. Brace, brace! Some poo's come out!